Whether you're home or not, if you have a doorbell camera installed, you can communicate with the person knocking at your door. You can direct the delivery man where to place a package, watch when guests arrive, and monitor when your children leave and return home. But the issue is, not all doorbell cameras can provide you with the full view. Either you get a head-to-toe view with a 1:1 aspect ratio with limited context, or a wide view that provides more side-to-side context but misses out on most of the doorstep itself. Now here's a workable solution. The Eufy Dual Doorbell Security Camera provides a maximum view from every aspect, as well as a plethora of features, plenty of local storage, and impressive performance. The Eufy doorbell camera may appear to be a bit more expensive when compared to other doorbell cameras, which might also make you wonder why you should rely on it. Well, we've got the answer. Let's get started. Unlike other doorbell cameras, the Eufy Dual Doorbell Camera eliminates the fisheye problem and offers two different video feeds. One to monitor the floor where packages often land, and one in the more conventional position above. The primary front-facing camera has a 160-degree field of view and records in 2K video quality using a 4:3 aspect ratio, while the secondary 1080p camera has a 120-degree field of view and records in HD using a 16:9 aspect ratio. Combined, you get a blind spot-free view of your entrance with a sharp, clear picture that covers a large portion of your front door area, as well as a greater and smoother frame rate. The Eufy Dual offers you a decent night vision in black and white. It features a dual motion sensor where the passive infrared detects people and the radar detects distance and angle. It also features inbuilt machine learning that can tell you if there's a person or package outside your house. The dual security camera has excellent audio quality as well. It uses full duplex technology that lets you chat with the visitor without lag or interpretation while offering you crystal clear audio. Also, the visitor outside will be able to hear you pretty clearly. You can make the security doorbell even smarter by pairing the device with a smart home assistant. The device is compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant. If you're away from your home and are unable to hear the chime, you can connect your smart home assistant device and get the solution. This will act as a chime for the video doorbell. Worrying about the Eufy doorbell camera getting destroyed? Well, stay relaxed, as it has an IP65 rated rugged protection that keeps the device completely unscathed from any rough and tough weather conditions. Once you buy it, Eufy is free to use. You don't have to pay any fees for the features it offers. It features smart alerts, local video storage with a 16 GB storage capacity that can save up to 90 days worth of clips, and AI features all are absolutely free. However, if you need an extra cloud storage, there is an option starting at $3 a month. For the most part, the Eufy Dual Security Camera is a great video doorbell. It does what it's designed to do. You can leave personalized audio messages for visitors, use loitering detection, get instant notification when someone rings the bell, have a smoother video conversation with the visitors, and a lot more. Overall, the Eufy Dual is an ideal and reliable solution for most video doorbell problems. So, that was all about the Eufy Video Doorbell Dual. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.